What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 of the best online business ideas that you can get started with as a beginner in 2020 and beyond. Now there is a lot of people who wants to get started with their own online business, but they are confused because there are so many different variations of get started in an online business. So my goal with this video is to help you out so you know what to focus on and get started with your own online business in 2020 and beyond. What you need to do here is pay attention and watch the whole video. Don't skip on anything, because I do share also some information regarding the different business models here. But first, before we do that, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. One of the most popular models is e-commerce, and you can do it in many different ways. One of the most popular is dropshipping. Now, Shopify is probably the number one platform here to get started with something like that if you're interested in e-commerce. Have a look at it at shopify.com, but it works really simple, and dropshipping, as I said, is one of the most popular models here. Basically, your job is to promote, upload a picture or something from that product and sell it, and it goes straight from the manufacturer actually, more or less, so you don't have to deal with shipping. That is why it's called dropshipping also. But for e-commerce, I think Shopify is probably the number one platform here to get started with actually. There is a lot of other business models with e-commerce also, but have a look at Shopify to get started with as a beginner. I think it's definitely one of the best ways. Another thing you can do is actually resell on eBay, and here you can do it also in many different ways. You can actually resell on the same platform, which means that you buy a product from eBay and you sell it, of course, on eBay here. Or you might find, let's say, phone cases or something on, I don't know, could be Alibaba or whatever, and actually sell them here, of course, on eBay. So it can work with the drop shipping model here also, that you don't have to deal with shipping here as well. So have a look at it at ebay.com here. Another very popular, very hot topic right now is drop servicing, and I just typed it in Google here. You can see it is a business model where you sell services, and of course you are not the one who's going to do the services, okay? So you're going to find someone else. A quick example would be, let's say that you sell a website, okay? Sell a complete website. You can go to a site like fiverr.com, purchase that website, and of course sell it to someone else online. You can advertise it in many ways. It could be YouTube, Google Ads, or whatever, or free traffic methods there. So a lot of variations here, and it doesn't have to be, of course, with just selling a site. It can be a lot of other online services, more or less. So have a look at it. Very hot topic, drop servicing, okay? Let's move on to something else, and that is to become a coach or a consultant. If you are expert, you have an expertise in something, could be, let's say, that you are good at weight loss. People want your information, they want to be guided, they want help from you, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. You just need a Zoom, more or less, or Skype is another alternative. Many people prefer Zoom because it's better quality, what they say. I think it's pretty much the same, actually, it doesn't matter. But this is a great way that you can be a coach and consultant without having to travel to some other cities or something like that. So what you need to do is, of course, market yourself with your expertise there and get started with this kind of business model. Okay, another business model is print on demand, and Teespring is the first one that comes into my mind here. Basically what you are doing here is you more or less design for the t-shirt, since we are looking at Teesprings here, but it can be cups or mugs or whatever actually, that you can do some design and sell that. Teespring is definitely the number one platform regarding t-shirts here, and you can see that there are some cool designs here. So you need to take care of the design, and basically people come here and you have uploaded your design here, and you can see here you select basically the size here, the quantity, and you place the order and it gets shipped straight to the buyer there. So without you having to do anything of that, you just take care of the design more or less and promote that. So a great model also actually with print on demand. Another one that is very popular is selling online courses, and I have created two to this day. One is daily list profits, as you can see here, and this is about how to make $100 per day online. You can see I made 420 per day here, and basically this is about affiliate marketing and email marketing, and I went the hard way, as I call it, because I had to create video sales letter, sales copy, promote it, put it on a membership site, and I did the same thing here with audio video mastery. This is my second course that I created, and it is actually about creating audio and video productions like a pro here. The same here, I did video sales letter and copywriting, so it can be a bit pricey if you're not good at it. So a good recommendation would be to get on a platform like this, which is udemy.com. Now udemy.com, you don't have to take care of the promotion more or less there. You just upload the course there and they do the promotions. And you can actually do a course about anything more or less. You can see that there are really popular courses here. Look at this, for example, the complete financial analyst course. 26,000 people have enrolled and this sells for $11.99. So just do your calculations here and you can quickly realize that there are some serious money to be made with creating courses. You don't have to be a super expert actually on anything here. As long as you know a bit more than a few other people there, you can create an online course here and upload it on udemy.com. Another platform is Teachable. So what you can do is also you can create a course and you upload it on more than just udemy.com. Teachable is also one of the most popular platforms here. Then there is Skillshare as well. But creating online courses is something you should definitely consider as a business idea for 2020 and beyond there. Writing could be another way that you can get started with an online business idea if you like to write, and Text Broker is one of the most popular sites here. You can see here, if I go to the section where it says I write content, it can be actually, you can write press releases, you can proofread, so it doesn't have to be proofwriting correct and stuff like that. So it doesn't have to be only that you're writing articles, okay? Don't limit yourself. And you can see here that, let's say for example that you are an expertise in weight loss again here. You can see for if you are a 5-star writer, which you will be if you are an expert in weight loss, you can earn $50 for 1,000 words here, which is very good. Now of course you have to get started in the beginning by become a 2 or 3-star writer, so it probably you have to write a little bit so you can get a good reputation there. But there is also iWriter.com. So it can be writing, guest posting. I just came up with it right now also. But it's definitely a great business model there if you like to write. Alright, so let's move on to one of my favorite online business ideas, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, really simple. You don't have to deal with shipping, creating the products there. All you have to do is find a good product to promote, grab that link and promote that link. It is as easy as that. So I am at ClickBank here, one of the largest networks around, and you can see that there is a lot of categories. I just typed for health and fitness, and you can see here it's sorted by gravity. You can sort it by popularity. So Lepitox is probably one of the most popular ones, Cinderella Solutions. So for every sale you make here, you can make $61.11, but you can actually make more because they do have upsells there as well. So this is a supplement, if I remember right, but there is also ebooks and videos, courses on how to lose weight, for example, and tons of other niches like woodworking, batteries, I don't know, mobile, self-help, also tons of offers, and you really have to check out the affiliate page so you can get some information, and you can grab a link by just type promote here and grab that link actually and start to promote it. Of course, Amazon.com is also one of the largest affiliate networks. Really simple, because they have millions of products that you can promote here, okay? Everything that you can imagine, you can promote it. So whatever you find on Amazon, you can promote that. And they do have commissions from anywhere from 4 up to 10%. But the cool thing here is they have the 24-hour cookie, which means that if someone comes in here, purchase through your link, let's say for example this item here, but they also want to purchase this one, you make a commission for that too. So usually most of the times on Amazon they do purchase more than one item and one thing at a time. So it's a great way actually to make money as an affiliate marketer. A lot of ways, of course, to promote affiliate products. There are no limits. It totally depends on the products and the niche there. Can be anything from blogging, you can earn a commission by promoting a product, do YouTube videos, Instagram. There are really no limits as an affiliate marketer there. Okay, let's move on to the final one, and that is actually to become a freelancer. Freelancing could be anything you can imagine, and of course if you have skills like let's say for example editing videos, you can do that, but it totally depends a bit here on your skills. Okay, so if I just type videos here on Fiverr, which is one of the most popular freelance platforms, you can see here that people charges, for example, this is approximately around $30 here, video editing and post-productions, 125 here, $30 again. So I just took an example here. It can be anything at all. I mean, you can actually do some transcription, let's say for example transcription jobs. So any kind of a freelance job that you can imagine. Look at this one, 1,000+ gigs here, and it starts at $5. But they do earn, of course, much more, because it usually is more than 5 or 10 minutes that people wants to have transcribed audio or video there actually. So as I said, there are no limits here. Use your imagination and of course your expertise, what you are good at. You might be good at creating thumbnails, you're a graphic designer, then you can do freelancing in overall. And there are more sites like Upwork, freelancer.com, and of course a lot of other freelance sites if you decide to go this route. Alright, so there you have it, 10 online business ideas that you can get started with as a beginner in 2020 and beyond. Hopefully you got some value here, and if you did, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation for making a full-time passive income online and building a real sustainable online business. You'll find it right here below, so make sure you check that out. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see here at the end screen. Both are related, so subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation here at my end screen as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.